Welcome to 2 Minutes Personal Finance Show by Santosh Bhandarkar. The famous writer Robin Sharma quoted, "Change is hardest at the beginning, messiest in the middle, and best at the end." Today I thought I will share with you 5 important changes I have seen in last 10 years in the personal finance industry, and also what are some changes I am expecting in the coming 10 years. So last 10 years we noticed the following changes. Number 1, people want to buy term plan now. Now everyone knows that term plan has to be bought for insurance purpose and not for money back purpose. Same is true for health insurance also. Number 2, huge awareness about mutual funds. From 5 lakh crore AUM in 2010, the current AUM is 27 lakh crores in mutual funds. That is an impressive 15% CAGR growth. So friends, mutual fund sahi hai. Number 3, dependence on loans has increased. We can clearly see the usage of credit cards for various things in life. Nowadays, you can buy a 4,000 rupees sari in Varanasi shop and pay in 6 easy installments. Number 4, moving from physical assets to financial assets. Our data shows that people are moving from physical assets like gold and real estate to financial assets like equity, mutual funds, stocks, PPF and FDs. Number 5, online wallets plus cashbacks are the way of life now, thanks to so many financial apps. Now, what do I expect in next decade? Number 1, retirement time bomb. With families getting more and more fragmented in future, we see more and more senior citizens without much of retirement savings, and it will ring an alarm bell like no before. Number 2, rise in materialism. I can see that we will be spending too much on brands, enjoyment, eating out, international vacations and whatnot. We will celebrate possessions more and more in the coming decade. Number 3, mutual funds will be the big thing. Mutual fund revolution has just begun in India with 4% people investing. We can see a massive growth in mutual fund. Number 4, we see heavy changes in economy and infrastructure with international things taking shape in our favor. Number 5, rise in professional advice. You might be having a 10 lakh portfolio today and you might be managing it on your own. But once it becomes 1 crore portfolio, you will surely understand that it could have been 1.5 crore with professional help. Stay tuned for more on personal finance. This is Santosh Bhandarkar signing off. Thank you.